Well, as you can see, guys, I've pulled out the leftover seeds from last year. Your first year, you have to buy so much, but what you don't use will last if you keep it in the right condition. And that will save you so much money. Now, I'm going to try to be even healthier this year, well, healthier than last year. And I'm sitting here organizing these seeds by the time they need to be planted. And I also need to pick up a few seeds I don't have or that I ran out of. So I got more seeds, broccoli, some carrots, and some collard greens, because, well, everybody loved the collard greens on New Year's Day. So I'm going to plant some collard greens so we have some fresh out of the garden as well. But broccoli, I can start that right now indoors. So we're going to do that. So I have this little planter box container that has all these little seed pod areas that you just keep the soil damp and you put your seeds in there. So the first thing I've got here is these little red seeds. Those are onion seeds. So I've got some onions and chives and leeks. Those can be planted indoors very early in January, as well as broccoli. Those can all be planted so many weeks before the last frost. Now we're also close to Valentine's, so we're changing over our tree to that couples pink and red. And we thought that this red garland would look good when we first started putting it on there, but it didn't, so we changed it. But I think the way it turned out looks great. And speaking of couples and romance and all those things, you know, you got to make sure you go on plenty of dates. If you don't go on enough dates, your marriage, your relationship will suffer. Make sure you go out. Now, also, you have the advantage of that your spouse, your partner, that your relationship with, you can be healthy with them. They can work with you, and together you're stronger. You're encouraging one another to keep those things. And so, you know, there's those splurge times that we go out and we're having fun and splurging and eating the chocolate cake or the ice cream. But there's times that we say, you know what, this time we're not going to eat that. We're going to eat healthy. Just like when I was eating the sugar-free Reese's Cup. I'd never tried it before. It's actually not that bad. Here we are again on another date that we just went out for coffee. But we got decaf and we got the no sugar like sweeteners in it. So it's the healthiest version of coffee that we can have. But as a couple, we enjoyed that time together and we're keeping each other on target for a better year. Just remember, even if you messed up since January 1 and you can actually start right now. You don't have to wait till the next January 1st. You can still make this a healthier year if you just decide, I'm going to start today. And if you want to, guys, leave a comment below of maybe the goals you have for this year, the things you want to do different. Maybe you have your strategy and you can leave those, and I'd love to read them. Now, guys, thanks for watching, and as always, God bless.